Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today topic is Kudangalam Nuclear Power Plant or Kudangalam NPP or KKNPP. Largest nuclear power station in India, situated in Kudangalam, Tirunelveli district of southern India, state of Tamil Nadu. Construction plant began in 31 March 2002 but faced several delays due to opposition from legal local fishermen of KKNPP. Scheduled to have 6 of VVER 1000 reactor bullet collaboration with Atom Straw expert, Russian state company Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited NPCL within the installed capacity 6000 megawatt electricity. Unit 1 was synchronized with the Southern Power Grid on 22 October 2013 and since then has begun generating electricity. It is warranted limit of 1000 megawatt original cost. 2 unit was the rupees 13,171 crore but it was later revised to rupees 17,270 crore, US dollar 2.6 billion. Russia revised credit rupees 6,416 crore, US dollar 0.97 billion for both of unit 2 attained critically 10 July 2016 and was synchronized with the electricity grid on 29 August. 2015 Nuclear Power Corporation lit NPCL announced price of rupees 4.29 kilowatt hour 6.4 kilowatt by hour energy delivered from Kudangalam Nuclear Power Plant. Groundbreaking ceremony construction unit the 3 and 4 was performed on 17 February 2016 due to technological change of inflation and insistence of supplier and operator for additional liability. Insurance the construction cost of unit 3 and 4 amounted to twice of cost of unit 1 and 2. It was later revised rupees 39,849 crore, US dollar 5.38 billion. Budget of 49,621 crore, US dollar 6.71 billion. It has been approved construction by Unit 5 and 6. History: Kudangalam under the construction 14 April 2009 on intergovernment agreement IGA and the project was signed on 20 November 1988 by the Prime Minister of India Rajiv Gandhi and Soviet head of state Mikhail Gorbachev. For construction 2 reactor project remained limbo decade due to dissolution of Soviet Union. There were also objections from interstate on the ground agreement did not meet the 1092 terms of a nuclear supplier group NSG. M.R. Srinivasan Atomic Energy Commission chairman from 1987 to 1990. The called project on starter, however, project was revived on 21 June 1998. Construction began on 31 March 2002 with the Nuclear Power Corporation of India lit NPCL predicting that first unit would be operational in March 2007 instead of the original target of December 2007. Small port became the operation in Kudangalam 14 January 2004. This fort was established barges carrying oversized light water reactor equipment from the ship's anchored distance of 1.5 kilometers 0.93 mi. Until 2004, material had to be brought via road from Port Thoothukudi, risking damage during transportation. 2008, negotiation on the building 4 additional reactors at the site began. To the capacity of these reactors had not been declared. It was expected that the capacity of each reactor 1200 megawatt 1.2 gigawatt. New reactor would bring total capacity power plant 6800 megawatt 6.8 gigawatt. The groundbreaking ceremony construction 3rd and 4th unit was performed 17 February 2016 and AERB authorized first 4 concrete on 19 June 2017. Construction of 3rd and 4th unit started 29 June 2017. AERB granted excavation permit for unit 5 and 6 in 14 November 2018. Concrete pour began in 2020. Construction of unit 5 and 6 commenced on 29 June 2021. Unit 5 is expected to ready for commissioning December 2026 while unit 6 expected to ready September 2027. Cyber attack 2019 NPCL confirmed identification of malware internal connected with the administration network but side critical internal network was isolated. KNP officials had earlier term report one of the cyber attack was false. Malware was linked to North Korean based Lazarus Group. Design and specification. Reactor are pressurized water reactor of efficient design. Model VVR 1000 V412 referred also. AES 92 thermal capacity 3000 MW. Cross electrical capacity 1000 MW with capacity 917 MW. Construction by NPCL Adam Story Expert. When completed, plant will become largest nuclear power generation complex India, producing cumulative 2 gigawatt electric power. Both unit are water cooled, water moderated power reactor. Operation. The first reactor plant attained critical on 13 July 2013 and was connected to grid 3 months later. Started commercial operation from 31 December 2014. The second unit achieved critical on 10 July 2016. It was connected grid on August. Commercial operation started on 15 October 2016. Kerala State Electricity Board KSB board member have approved signing power purchase agreement PPA with Nuclear Power Corporation India NPCL for sourcing electricity from Kudangalam Nuclear Power Project KKNPP. Unit 1 was shut down in June 2015 for refueling and annual maintenance 21 January 2016. Reactor restarted. It was connected grid on 30 January 2016. Kudangalam Nuclear Power Plant Director DS Chaudhary started 26 January 2018. Unit 1 and 2 was nuclear plant had been generated combined total 22,800 million units since they began functioning. Opposition. The people had been opposing plan since proposal 1979 proposal. However, they halted because protester was brought back in 2000. Construction started under the government of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. 2011, thousands of from vicinity of the plant protested against fearing nuclear disaster. Fukushima Daiichi under the nuclear disaster. According to protester expectation, people even nuclear disaster would be impossible according to SP Uday Kumar. People movement against nuclear energy, nuclear unsafe. However, 2012 Chief of Indian Nuclear Energy Program Sri Kumar Banerjee called the plant on the safest world. December 2012 Hindu reported hundreds of villager region were largely ignored by risk of benefit plan. Public interest litigation of PIL was filed in 2011 with Supreme Court asking for nuclear power plant to be delayed until safety concern were independently assessed. May 2013 Supreme Court ruled favor and plant starting the nuclear power plant was largest public interest. March 2012 nearly 2,200 anti-nuclear protesters were detained few hours by the police. Protesters were said to join protesting objecting resumption of work 1 and 2 or 1 gigawatt reactor. Day after local government restarted work project, there have also been rallies protest in the favor commissioning of nuclear power plant. 24 February 2012 Prime Minister Manmohan Singh blamed foreign NGO protester power plant. News agency of reported 3 NGO had diverted denomination of earmarked religious social causes. Protester violation foreign exchange regulation. Support power plant. Aida and Dakrai village have been targeted by opponent using improvised explosive device. Search South India National Council searches opposes power plant and supported procedure against supporter power plant, and the government have alleged that protest against power plant instigated by searches funded by foreign source of the protester dismissed allegation foreign funding but said seeking support from search was natural as many protesters were Christian local. Response from official. Former chairman Atomic Energy Commission India Srinivasan. Fukushima plant was bullied beach front of Kudangalam was constructed solid terrain, the two keeping all safety aspect of mind. Also we are not tsunami prone area. Plant Kudangalam have double containment system which can withstand high pressure. At least rupees 14,000 crore has been spent. It was we won't operate plant immediately will affect economic stability of our country. Center panel consists of Government India, which is did survey of safety future plan vouched safety Kudangalam reactor. Dr. Muttunayagam, who head of the panel, said that protester asked some documents which are not be related to safety. Director Nuclear Scientist and Principal Scientist Advisor to be Federal Government of India Rajagopal Chidambaram has said we have learned lesson from the Fukushima nuclear accident, particularly on the post-shutdown cooling system, and also Fukushima nuclear accident should not be inhibit India from pursuing safe civil nuclear program. Tamil Nadu state government formed a 4-member expert panel which is submitted report from government after inspecting safety future plan. Tamil Nadu government wake of acute power shortage State has ordered favor commissioning plan allocation power. Government of India announced power allocation from 2-unit reactor on 29 August 2013. Beneficiary power megawatt. Tamil Nadu 925 megawatt, Karnataka 442 megawatt, Kerala 266 megawatt, Puducherry 67 megawatt, and allotted 300 megawatt. Total 2000 megawatt. The as of the 1st December 2021, government is considering increasing capacity to 6000 megawatt on completion of KKNPP 3 and 4 2 into 1000 megawatt and KKNPP 5 and 6 2 into 1000 megawatt which is presently under construction. Town of Council Volgodans Rostov named land located next plant of Kudangulam Atamas plant Kudangulam Alai in November 2018. Plant which is owned by Rostom manufacture equipment for the Kudangulam nuclear power plant. Thank you.